Hello, my name is Ardi Batara Putra and I am student of business management. This video is created as part of my learning journey in the English for Professional Communication course. My main goals is to improve my communication skill, both written and spoken, and to build confidence in expressing ideals clearly and professionally. During the course, I faced challenge in organizing ideas and using appropriate language. To improve, I practice English regularly, learn from peer feedback, and revise my work. My strength is speaking, which I developed through music and film. Sure, reading is still my weakness, especially in organizing sentences and choosing the right words. In the future, I will apply this skill in my professional life to communicate effectively, write professionally, and present with confidence. Thank you very much.